This video is an important overview of how we do keyword research for existing pages. So within the 5 phases of our SEO campaign, this falls under phase 2 in the improving phase and under module 2.3 within that. So you're probably wondering why you see existing pages in brackets on every page here, and it's really to emphasize the fact that we do keyword research in 2 parts. Number 1, the first part right here is keyword research for existing pages. So using those important URL actions that we tagged in the website quality audit, we can identify what we call low-hanging fruit pages, where keyword targeting may increase organic traffic quickly if we can go through and do some on-page adjustments and identify the right keywords that those pages should be targeting. These pages are a lot easier to rank because they have existing equity. They probably have some keyword rankings already. We just need to fine tune them to get them punched up a little bit higher. And a quick turnaround in organic traffic goes a very long way dealing with client relations and buys you time for those long-term goals and massive gains that you can hit with SEO. The second part of keyword research, we do that for new pages, and that's more of a keyword gap analysis where we're looking for keywords not on the client's website that we can build a content strategy around to determine how we can best add them to the website and get those pages ranked. That could be a blog post, it could be a new landing page, it could be a resource guide, whatever. But the point is right now we're only looking at existing pages on the website and the best keywords that we can use to target those pages. I'm giving you a keyword research template, and it's not your traditional template. It's got a lot of additional data added into it, and that's because we not only want to identify the right keywords for each page, but we want to understand the status of the search engines as well, which I'm going to show you right now. So let's go ahead and jump into the template. Now this is going to be a very quick overview because I'm obviously going to cover how to fill this out in each of these in depth. But essentially what it is, you can see here the URL actions in column 1 here. These are pulled over manually from the website quality audit to give us a head start. We then want to add in domain authority and page authority. And also we're going to pull through referring domain links and sessions. This is for the client website or your website. So this is telling us basically the SEO quality of the pages on our or the client website. Then pushes into the target or main keyword for each page and the volume and ranking for that. So that's going to be the main keyword that we're going to be targeting for the page, usually one that's in the page title, and essentially tells us what that page is about. And then those secondary or supporting, they're not synonym keywords, these are supporting keywords that are going to help to build the overall relevancy and targeting of that page. And I'll talk in detail about how to find these in the coming video. Then we go into journey stages. There's 5 different journeys. I have a whole video that's dedicated to finding the intent or the journey of that page. It's where things start to get interesting and different. So what we do is we pull through the top 3 SERP results using Ahrefs. We have a process built out for that. I'm going to show you how to do that. That pulls through the URL. Then we manually tag it with the type of content that page is, the referring links, and the page authority and domain authority of each of these top 3 results. And the reason why we do this is because we want to create a picture for, number 1, the competition for that keyword. Number 2, what type of content should that keyword be targeting? So if the first 3 results in Google are telling us that for that keyword you need a lead generation page, and the client is trying to use, I don't know, a blog post or whatever, then we can better inform the content strategy for the type of content that we want to create or update these pages to, change the URL structure, do some redirects, get them cleaned up, to be using the right type of page to rank for that keyword. One of our analysts then went through and wrote some really awesome formulas that help us to analyze and summarize this data, and comes out with a different set of opportunity scores and the actions that we want to try and take. So I mentioned that, and of course I'm going to go through all these things in extreme detail with you guys throughout this module. I just wanted to give you a taste for what's coming. So specifically within the sub processes within keyword research, we've got video sessions broken out for all these. We're going to talk about setting up the file, how to migrate the data. I'm going to show you how to verify the main and secondary keywords. I've then got 3 different tactics for finding keyword. Keyword research is nothing new, guys. I'm just going to give you a couple of tactics that I use to do this at scale. Then I'm going to talk about mapping keyword intent, adding in all that supporting data, all that SERP data from Ahrefs into the file, and then putting together a nice report and presentation and the next steps off the back of this. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in 2.3.1, where we're going to talk about setting up the keyword file. I will see you there.